Beyond vector search, the 2026 production RAG stack. Your retrieval augmented generation pipeline is lying to you. While most developers believe that semantic similarity is synonymous with understanding, the reality is far more complex. In a production environment, pure vector search is often little more than a sophisticated vibe check, and that is a dangerous foundation to build upon. Here is the issue. Vectors capture surface-level relatedness, not logical intent. When a user asks a specific, keyword-heavy question, a vector engine can easily be distracted by semantically similar but contextually irrelevant data. This leads directly to hallucinations, where the large language model provides a confident answer based on the wrong information. To move from a prototype to a robust product, we must look beyond the vector. The solution is a high-precision, 3-stage retrieval stack. First, hybrid search. We combine the intuitive nature of vector search with the literal accuracy of BM25 keyword retrieval, merging them through reciprocal rank fusion. Second, the Reranker. By using a cross-encoder, we perform a deep dive analysis into the relationship between the query and the retrieved documents. Third, semantic chunking. We move away from arbitrary character counts and toward logical units of thought, ensuring the embedding model captures complete context. Let us examine this in a real-world scenario. I have configured a test case on Hugging Face comparing a standard vector approach to our production-grade stack. When we query for form 404X, observe the panel on the left. The standard vector search is confused by the word Phoenix. It prioritizes password portals and city council notes because they share a semantic neighborhood. It has essentially failed the retrieval task. Now, look at the production stack on the right. Because we have integrated keyword signals and a re-ranker, the system identifies the specific form code immediately. The re-ranker confirms the intent, placing the correct document at rank 1. This is the difference between matching words and matching meaning. The implementation is straightforward but transformative. We utilize a dedicated text splitter to ensure our chunks respect the model tokenizer boundaries. This prevents fragmented data from entering the pipeline. The retrieval logic employs keyword matching alongside sentence transformers fused together by a reciprocal rank fusion algorithm. This creates a balanced retrieval signal that captures both the nuance of language and the precision of specific terminology. Finally, the cross-encoder acts as a quality gate, ensuring that only the most relevant context reaches your language model. In 2026, building for production means building for reliability. If your retrieval augmented generation system relies solely on vector proximity, it is time to upgrade your architecture. I have made this Hugging Face space public for your own testing. You can find the link in the description. Are you ready to implement hybrid search, or are you still relying on vectors alone? Join the conversation in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into production artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.